And now a more detailed video of how we built the Tippy Tap. Same equipment as we described on the other video. And here is the final product. It was so much fun to put together. Let's do it step by step. First thing, we're gonna start drilling. Holes in the cap, hole in the handle, as well as holes on the face opposing the handle. The bottle cap that you drilled a hole through, thread a string through, tie a knot so it doesn't come back out. There you have it. The water jug is now ready. Let's move on to the next step. First soap, put it on a nice surface and get your drill out. Pop a hole in it. And just like with the bottle cap, we are gonna thread a string through the hole that you created in the soap, tie a couple of knots so that it doesn't come back out, and then cut the string to the length desired. Decided to make a sign so that people knew what they were looking at. Free hand washing. Next step is to go outside and decide where you want to put up this Tippy Tap. Is it in your backyard, local playground? We decided to go into our local forest. Forest is great because you have a lot of trees and you have a lot of branches that you can be using for this project. When selecting a branch, make sure it is strong, straight, but also thin enough to fit through the handle of the water bottle. Next step, take your string and securely fasten the branch with the jug to 2 trees. Make sure to wind it up several times so it's nice and snug. I must say this was a beautiful day when we did it, although it was a bit cold, but it was a fantastic experience. Next thing, fasten the soap to the branch. And now we need a foot pedal that connects to the cap of the water bottle so that when you step on it, the tap goes tippy. I selected a branch that was probably 2 feet long, connected the string to it, set it back so it's at about a 45-degree angle, and then when you step on it, the tap goes tip. Almost done. Let's put up a sign. And now it's time for the big test. Does it work? Yeah, it works. Step on the pedal, water comes out, lather up with the soap, and begin washing. Rub-a-dub-dub. And there we have it. Happy World Water Day 2020. Hope you had a great time building it. Don't forget to take a picture and to upload it onto our Facebook in the comment section, and you will get one of our Team World Vision incentive items.